Alright, attempt number 4. The first time I did this with the rocket, it went perfect, but I didn't record it, of course. So then I tried another rocket, a bigger one, and it hit the top of it, it bounced out, and then it blew up. And then I did another one, and I didn't have enough time or patience, so it flew right off the fucking straw, and then hit the back of the fence and blew up. So this is attempt number 4 with the bottle rocket. And you, kitty pumpkin. Take this, kitty pumpkin. Oh, fuck me! That was mean, kitty pumpkin. Damn it! Fuck my life, guys. You know what, man? I'm fucking... Oh, dude, I can only fail so many times before I get fucking angry. And I have this problem where I'm like a firecracker. If you light my fuse, I'm liable to fucking... Oh my god. See what I'm talking about? When I snap, and I blow, and I puff, and I blow the whole motherfucker down. Peace, Spyros! Run! Run for your life! Run, run, run! Run!